Students, now we see the topic subtraction of decimals. Let's see some more examples given in the exercise 8.6. See the question number 1, subtract. Now let us solve the first example. Subtract 18 rupees 25 paise from 20 rupees 75 paise. It means 20.75 में से 18.25 को subtract करना है. So first we write this number. So here you can see I am writing 20.75 first and then I am going to subtract 18 rupees 25 paise from it. Children, always write the number in a such a way that decimal point will come one below another. Now let us subtract. We start from right. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Then decimal point will come just below this decimal point. 0 minus 8, not possible. So we take borrow from 2. So 1 will left over there. And this will be 10. Now 10 minus 8, 2. And 1 minus 1, 0. Hence the answer is 2 rupees 50 paise. Now let us solve the second example. Subtract 202.54 meter from 250 meter. Here again 250 में से 202.54 को subtract करना है. Okay. So first we write the number 250. Now in this number there is a no decimal part. So we can write 00 by putting decimal point after the 0. And then I am going to subtract 202.54 from it. Now 0 minus 4 not possible. So we need to take borrow from the previous digit of this 0, right? But the previous digit of this 0 is 0. Again the previous digit of this 0 is again 0. So we take borrow from 5. So 4 will left over there. This will be 9. This will be again 9. And this will be 10. Right? Now 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. Then decimal point will come. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 0, 4. And 2 minus 2, 0. Hence the answer is 47.46 meter. Now let us solve some more example. See the third example. Here we have to subtract 5 rupees 36 paise from 8 rupees 40 paise. Okay, so first we write 8 rupees 40 paise means 8.40. And then I am going to subtract 5.36 from this number. Now 0 minus 6 not possible. So I am going to take one borrow from 4. So 3 will left over there. This will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Then decimal point will come over here. 8 minus 5, 3. Hence the answer is 3 rupees 4 paise. Now let us solve the fourth example. Subtract 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. From 5.206 kilometer. So first we write 5.206. 5.206. And then we have to subtract 2.051 from it. 2.051. Now 6 minus 1, 5. 0 minus 5, not possible. So we take borrow from 2. So 1 will left over there. This will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. Then decimal point will come just below this decimal point. And 5 minus 2, 3. Hence the answer is 3.155 kilometer. So likewise you can solve the fifth example of question number 1 given in your textbook.